This is the tale of a land where time-honored traditions merge with modern influences and where the people continue to thrive amidst waves of change. Long before American Samoa's formal recognition, the islands were part of the broader Samoan archipelago, which became home to Polynesian peoples over 3,000 years ago. The founding navigators crafted a vibrant society defined by kinship ties, oral traditions, and intricate governance systems known as the Matai, a system centered around family and chiefs, or Matai. The islands first encountered European explorers in 1722, when Dutch explorer Jacob Roggeveen sighted the archipelago. A century later, French and British navigators, including Louis de Bougainville and John Williams, journeyed to Samoa, introducing the islands to the broader world. Amidst the rising influence of naval powers in the Pacific during the 19th century, an era of significant change dawned upon Samoa. The Tripartite Treaty of Berlin in 1899 marked a key moment, dividing the Samoan Islands between German control in the west and American interests in the east. Thus, American Samoa was born, comprising islands such as Tutuila and Manuae under the guardianship of the United States. One cannot overlook the significance of Captain Benjamin Franklin Tilley, the first appointed governor of American Samoa in 1900. Serving under the American flag, Tilley worked ardently to implement systems of governance, ideology, and security, establishing a naval base in Pago Pago. His name became synonymous with modern American Samoan history, as he left an indelible mark on the island's political development. The tumultuous world events of World War II brought another transformation, as American Samoa became a strategic military hub. The construction of airfields and naval stations ushered in new infrastructural and economic paradigms, leaving a legacy still visible today. In contemporary times, the legacy of the American Samoan people is celebrated through their athletic prowess, cultural festivals, and vibrant expressions of art and dance. Figures such as Manu, Brown, and Amua Amida, who represent the American Samoan narrative on the global stage, embody the rich heritage and resilient spirit of these islands.